the weather outside.
Do you know the Vegan RS? It's my passion.
But that's very good. We should buy French.
I wanted to buy a new 53,000 euros.
53,000 doesn't give.
And to that, I have to add another 48,000 on top of the 53,000.
What was it?
It's
48
crazy.
minutes?
That's your ecological penalty.
Don't move. So how many shortcomings were there? 53,000 and 48,000? 101,000 euros?
The options.
Oh yeah, that's expensive for damage. But that's because it pollutes. It consumes.
But it's a 1.8 liter gasoline. It's
But
negligible.
you're destroying the planet, young man. And we don't want your sports cars anymore. That's so vulgar. If you feel that you are a tuning fan,
I
well, it's
love
over.
the student.
Everyone should ride scooters. I'm good with GTI tires and 205 and 8.9, but I stopped growing. So, what kind of car do you have? There's nothing.
Because there's a dick.
Enjoy your
meal.
Let's suppose you live in Paris. You wake up after a 10-year coma. Well, first you realize that I'm still the president. You're disgusted, but above all, your BMW that's in the parking lot with yellow leather interior and BBS. Well, you can just turn it into a chicken coop. You no longer have the right to drive it because it's diesel bodies. And don't you dare drive anyway, because there are cameras everywhere. AI will spot your plate, give you fines, and automatically debit
And
you.
even
What am I
generations.
doing? Listen, dear sir, I'm telling you kindly, start lowering my balls. Nobody's stopping you from buying it. We are just making the price completely outrageous. Remember the vaccine? Nobody was forced to get vaccinated. Except that you could no longer go to the cinema, to the restaurant, take the train, and you lost your job. That's the same. They force you, but gently. It's called coexistence. For example, distract people. Look up there, the little birds. And now, if you notice, you are unable to say what you were talking about just before.
He is right. No. But yes, Mr. President, I have another question. My NRS Media, how do I take care of
Show
some...
yourself out, but I don't know. You should just buy it abroad or register it in Andorra, for example. You are annoying.
What do you
anyway.
know? There will be fewer and fewer sports cars on the
But
streets.
the rich will be able to continue buying it. It doesn't bother them to pay for something twice as expensive. And don't worry, you'll continue to admire beautiful Ferraris without exchanging ideas. One day someone said, I don't remember his name. They don't have to be scared.